Whenever you get a problem, follow these steps. Understand the problem first. Don't code immediately. Read the question carefully, identify inputs and expected outputs. Think about edge cases. For example, if the question is to reverse a string, understand that for kushi, you need isuke. Step 2. Plan the solution by writing logic first. Think of multiple ways to solve it. Break down complex problems into small tasks and write a high-level plan. Step 3. Write code. Start coding small parts first and print intermediate results to check correctness. Example code for reversing a string shows implementation using slicing. Don't focus on speed, focus on correctness. Step 4. Test with multiple cases. Try edge cases and test manually before submitting. For test cases, verify outputs for various string inputs. This ensures your code works under different scenarios. Step 5. Optimize and learn from mistakes. Check for better solutions and analyze mistakes. Consider maintaining a cheat sheet for forgotten notes and optimizing your code for efficiency.